removing and installing the integrated Kitano-Ru hydration bottle from your PRfive2 triathlon bike for cleaning, travel, or service is a piece of cake. The bottle is held firmly in place on the stem via a C-channel carrier at the bottom of the stem. In order to remove the bottle from the stem, simply access the bottle's retaining clip by folding back the bottle's rubber gaskets. This will expose the two tabs on either side of the bottle's retention cloth that secure the bottle to the stem. With your fingers, press inward on each tab. This will allow you to begin to slide the bottle backward out of the stem's retainer and off the bike. Putting the bottle back in is just as easy. Just locate the bottle retainer at the bottom of the stem and slide the bottle's matching receiver into it, sliding the bottle forward and toward the head tube. When you feel the retainer tabs close in at the end of the range, you'll know you have the bottle securely locked into place.